Hello everyone. Start off by taking a section of the top of the head and then add multiple rubber bands to it. Join it to the side as well, make 2 braids at the bottom. Start off by tying a ponytail, take 2 sections of this ponytail, make 2 braids out of it. Then tie multiple rubber bands on it and arrange the braids as such. Next, start off by combing the hair into place. Tie a ponytail and then make 3 divisions out of this ponytail. Make a braid midway through it. Roll the braid upwards, make a bun out of it, roll the hair around the braid. Twist the ends in upwards. Add 2 clips. For our next hairdo, start off by combing the hair into a ponytail, then add a bow at the top. Using the ends of the ribbon, make 2 braids out of it as such. Next, divide the hair into 5 portions, make 3 braids at the bottom, then arrange it as such. In the sides, using this kind of a rubber band, make a bun out of it. With the free portions of the hair, make a braid, add a decorative rubber band. Start off by tying a ponytail, then add a hair twine through it. Twist the hair around the hair twine and then roll it up into a bun. Divide the hair into 4 portions. Then tie a ponytail out of each of these portions. At the top, taking a small section of the ponytail, make a braid. Arrange it in a heart shape and then make 2 more braids out of it. Crisscross 2 of the braids and arrange it. Make 6 sections at the top of the hair and make a ponytail out of each of them. Divide each of these sections into 2 parts and join it accordingly. Roll each of these sections in on themselves. Continue to do this for 1 more layer. Then add threads to each of them and braid it together. Use 2 threads as 2 sections of the braid and the hair as one. Tie it all up. Thank you for watching.